In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter thank you page in Beehiiv. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Creating a thank you page for your newsletter is a fantastic way to engage with your subscribers right after they sign up. It's that extra step that shows you care and keeps them excited about the content to come. So let's dive right in. First off, if you haven't already, sign up for a Beehiiv account, navigate to their website, and follow the prompts to create your account. Once you're all set up, log in, and you'll find yourself on the dashboard. It's a user-friendly platform, so you should feel right at home. Now, once you've logged in, the next step is to go to the Settings menu. This is typically found on the left side of your dashboard. Click on that, and you should see a list of options. Look for Custom Pages, or a similar option that allows you to create dedicated pages for your newsletter. This is where your thank you page will reside. Click on Custom Pages, and then there should be an option to create a new page. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be prompted to choose the type of page you want to create. For this exercise, select Thank You Page. This is where the fun really begins, as you get to personalize your page and make it reflect your brand. Now you will see a variety of templates and editing options. While Beehiiv offers some pre-designed layouts, I recommend choosing a simple template that allows you to express your branding. Remember, you want this page to resonate with your audience, so consider using colors, fonts, and imagery that are consistent with your overall brand aesthetics. Once you've selected a template, it's time to customize it. Start by adding a warm welcome message. You could say something like, "Thank you for subscribing," or "Welcome to the family." Make it friendly and inviting. This text can make all the difference in ensuring your subscribers feel appreciated right off the bat. After that, it's a good idea to let them know what to expect. You could add a brief description of the kind of content they'll receive and how often they'll be hearing from you. Maybe something like, "Get ready to receive insightful articles, tips, and exclusive content right in your inbox every week." This helps set the tone and gives them a reason to look forward to your newsletters. Next, consider including links to your social media profiles. Give subscribers an easy way to connect with you on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. This encourages them to follow you and creates a sense of community. In addition, you might also want to incorporate a call to action. For example, invite them to check out your latest blog post or special offer. Think about what would be most valuable for them at this moment, and guide them towards that action. You can create a button or a highlighted text that directs them to this content. Once you've added all the elements you want, it's crucial to preview your page. Most platforms, including Beehiiv, will have a preview button that allows you to see what your thank you page will look like. Take a moment to review everything. Check the layout, the images, and all the text to ensure that it flows well and makes a good impression. When you're satisfied with your thank you page, don't forget to save your work. You wouldn't want to lose all that hard work now, would you? Click on the Save button, and then take a moment to publish your page. There's usually a prominent button that says either Publish or Make Live. Lastly, it's a good idea to go back to your settings and ensure that this thank you page is set as the default page subscribers will see once they sign up for your newsletter. This way, you know it's not just a pretty page, but an integral part of the subscriber journey. And that's it! You have successfully created a newsletter thank you page in Beehiiv. Remember, this page is your first chance to communicate with your new subscribers, so make it count. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for